From a middle-class family in Chennai to challenging Google's empire in just 24 months. This is how brilliance beats billions. Meet Arvind Srinivas, son of railway employee and a teacher from Chennai. It's a story every Indian family knows. Parents sacrificing everything for child's education, hoping that one breakthrough will actually change everything. IIT Madras topper, UC Berkeley's PhD, living the dream, right? But here is what nobody talks about. Crushing the isolation of being the only Indian in the advanced AI research labs. While his American classmates discussed family tech investments, Arvind was calculating if he could afford groceries and calling home. While they networked at Silicon Valley parties, he was coding alone in his smart apartment. But the real breakthrough came from a problem every student faces, spending hours and sometimes days researching papers of PhD theses, jumping between Google Scholar and research pieces and cross-referencing sources. There has to be a better way, he thought. What if AI could do the research work and just give me the answers with resources? That thought would be the birth of a billion-dollar company. Arvind was working on a cutting edge of AI, but he saw something others missed. ChatGPT was amazing with creative tasks, but terrible with serious research. Ask ChatGPT for the latest research on climate change, and it might give you outdated information with no sources. Ask Google, and you will spend hours verifying resources which are credible. Arvind realized this. What if we could build an AI that can think like a researcher, that finds current information, verifies sources, and present findings